o sahig.
Sanang ano ba,
Di ba natin
nasa
lang
low
muna natin?
lang, nasa view.
Alam mo, there will be consequences.
I know, sir. I'm not
Alam
afraid.
ko.
Please, let's spare all of them. Show your statement, Chief said. Let's spare all of them.
I'm waiting
Take
for,
it, sir.
I'm waiting for my daughter and son.
Sir,
I assure you, sir, that
We are
your
also-
rights will be protected.
we are also. How can you protect our rights? What if they say that he is not guilty? How do we implement that if he's dead already? Sabihin niyo nga sa amin.
Pwede,
Ayaw
sir.
magbigay ng order, sir.
Paano mo lang ang anak ko, sir?
Ayaw magbigay ng order.
Ang anak ko ka. Paano mo lang ang anak? Grabe ka naman.
Magbigay ng order, sir.
Kailangan namin mag-usap yung anak ko lang. Hintayin natin.
Isa lang anak ang nakikita niya